Friday afternoon, and I just finished making dinner. I made beef stew with, instead of potatoes, I put cauliflower and some peas and carrots and celery and all sorts of stuff. And we're gonna have it with some pickles and beets. Both of these I pickle myself. So, and I'm almost done cleaning. I cleaned my cabinets, and I love the method Wood for Good Daily Clean. I love the way it smells. My husband absolutely hates it, but oh well. If I'm cleaning, might as well use stuff that I like. So yeah. Just got a shipment delivered from UPS and from Amazon. Just wanted to show you. I got 2 of these. Show you what it is. Got a diffuser. I already have one. I just wanted another one because I found that the other one that I had wasn't big enough for my downstairs. I think it was 300 milliliters, the one that I have, and this one's 400 the capacity. So I'm hoping that that helps. And then I also got one more like that for a gift. And then I got these. I'm gonna open these so I can show you what it is. Okay, it's 100% essential oils from is it Enjoy? Okay. Smells really strong. I hope some of the bottles didn't break. I don't think so. So they are 5 mils, and I got rosemary. What's this? Tea tree, lavender. So sweet orange, which has to be one of my favorite smells. Eucalyptus, cinnamon. Could have used some of this stuff for over Christmas because I have some blends. Yingling, Yin Yang. I think it's not a beer. It's Ling Yang Ling. I don't know how to say that. Some words are just so complicated. Frankincense, bergamot, lemongrass, crocus lemon, and the last one was peppermint. Okay, and I'll link these below so you know which ones those are. And I also got this, which is stencils. Let me just show you. They're for my bullet journal, or for journaling, or that's what I'm gonna use it for. And this was like super inexpensive. I think it was $10. So there's 12 of them. Are some of them repeat? No. I thought they were repeat, but they're not. But some of these are, I think, like right here. I've got those, and then right there. So that's a repeat. So this is just different sizes, so it's not. Yeah. So Amazon order is always a happy time at my house when we get one. Good morning, friends. It's Saturday morning. I just got up. It's about 7 o'clock and I'm getting ready. I'm gonna go watch my nephew's soccer game. But so I thought I'd take you along with me while I get ready. And yesterday I went to the Dollarama and I picked up some stuff. I picked up my first one a couple days ago, I think it was Thursday, and then I went back to get more on Friday because I was very impressed with the first one that I picked up. So let me show you what it is. These, there are, that's the first side, facial treatments. You get 9 of them for $4. And this one has coconut oil spa treatment, green tea, and vitamin C. And then the other one has anti-aging, brightening, and pore refining. And then the first one that I picked up was actually, let me show you, I threw out the box, but they were the eye masks, which is what intrigued me. And I got the aloe vera, was in it, the vitamin C, and then the cucumber. Now I tried the cucumber. I usually don't like buying stuff at Dollarama for face and stuff because I always worry about the ingredients. But when I bought the first box, because you can't see the ingredients on a box, I came home and the ingredients list is right here. And I actually compared it, went online and compared it to the ones that I buy from Sephora, like the Sephora eye mask, which I think here they're about $5 or $8 for one. And the ingredients are quite similar. I compared the cucumber one that they have to this one. They're very similar, and I don't see, like, I mean, they're not perfect by any means. They don't say they're organic or natural or anything like that. But if you need to do Sephora's under eye ones, but if you compare the ingredients, they're very similar. So then I ended up buying another box of eye because, like I said, $4 for 9 treatments, and I usually use one a week. So then I decided to get these, and again I checked the ingredients. There's no paraben in it, so but I don't actually know whether peels even contain paraben in it, yeah, so I'm excited to use this. So now I'm gonna do my makeup and look at my messy makeup drawer that I have to clean up. Soon it's gonna be time to clean the washroom, so I don't know where I'm gonna put this. I was thinking about getting a little like a little shelf with drawers here, but we'll see. Okay, so come along. So the camera, I forgot to turn the camera, so I started, let me just kind of show you what I did. I started with Angel Oil from NYX as a primer. Then I followed with the Vichy BB cream. I also used the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. And then I did my Little Imperfections with Naked Skin concealer. And then I use for my under eye, the Bye Bye Under Eye by It Cosmetics. And then I set everything with Mineralized Max Skin Finish Natural Powder. This is the Becca highlighter and bronzer. Anastasia blush set. I use the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. And for eyes, I have the NYC New York Colors Individual Eyes. So I'm just gonna use that. Nothing too spectacular for my eyes. And for my eyelashes, I'm just using Clinique mascara. Okay. That's it. And lip blush, it's called. High Sparkle Lip Gloss. My lips are dry. Whew. This hair just wants to cooperate, so I'm down in my basement and I have started work on my bench. Let me show you. So here is the bench. I just finished getting all the dirt off of it, sanded it. I have to get rid of this and then it's gonna be ready for staining. Hi guys, so I'm just in a car picking up my daughter from her dance. She dances like, I don't know, something like 5 hours or 4 hours on a Saturday. It's just before the competition season. The competition starts after like spring break type of thing, March break, so they have to get all their choreography worked out and things like that. So yeah, so that's where I'm at. So I thought I'd chat with you guys. I'm trying to find my chapstick here. This is like one of the rare Saturdays where I have nothing to do. Well, nothing to do in the sense of no tournament for my son. And look, I've been painting the shelf, as you can, on the bench, so, which I think I showed you. So, but I thought I'd have a little car chat with you guys. Yeah, so usually on Saturdays we either have tournaments or some family things, but this weekend we actually had nothing, so I decided that I was going to do a weekend life in a, like, not day in the life, but a weekend in the life. So I started yesterday and I didn't do a lot because I don't want them to be too long and too repetitive. Like Fridays I clean, so I didn't want to show you how I clean every Friday that I clean and show you how I clean. So I just show you little clips. Today I've done a couple different clips already, so but I thought my husband's cooking. Actually, he's making pork carnitas and my house smells absolutely delicious. So what I've done today is, so I went and watched my nephew's soccer game, and he's only 2, so it wasn't very eventful. It was rather cute and funny. So, and then I went and did some groceries, and I came home, had lunch, worked on the bench a little bit, and then my husband decided he was gonna cook. So I'm pretty sure I smell like onions, because that's what he was doing as I was leaving. He was just setting the Instant Pot for the pork carnitas, which actually I'm going to link I'm gonna make like a Instant Pot dinner video type of thing, so at a later date. So I'm gonna include it. I'm hoping that I like it, so I'm gonna include it. And then the plans for tonight are have dinner and then watch Star Wars, because we haven't seen Star Wars yet, so that's the plan. And then tomorrow is another day I don't have much to do, so I'm going to probably finish the bench, and just relax. Maybe I need to do some planning for the following week and things like that. Now, another thing I was gonna ask you guys, not sure, maybe not. I was thinking, some people have questions for me over on Instagram. So if you're not following me, follow me on Instagram, and over on YouTube. So in order not to answer everybody individually, I was thinking about maybe doing Q&A. So I don't know if it's too early, because I don't really have that many subscribers. Would like to have more, but you know, that's something that I'm working on. And but for the ones that are there, if you would like to do Q&A, let me know in the comments below, either on Instagram or on YouTube, or send me a private message through Instagram. And if you would like to do Q&A, let me know, and then let me know what questions you have. So maybe that's a type of video that I can make for you guys. So okay, well, it's time for me to go in and get her, so I'll talk to you later.